Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today we're going to talk about something that is a new version of a browser, and it's Firefox. Firefox 75 was released today, April 7th, 2020. And if you want to have this or know if you're there, simply go to the upper right corner in the menu, go to Help, and in here you will go to About Firefox. It should say that you're at 75.0. If you're not, it will actually update automatically to 75. Anything new in here? Not a lot, except that they've redone the address bar. As you see at the top, it doesn't look exactly the same as it did. Plus, when you click to have the different information, what happens is that the text of the websites that you might be looking at is actually a little smaller and crisper. It's apparently there to, that changes there to actually help in laptops that have smaller screens. So these are a few little things. You have your top sites that appear automatically every time you click. And apparently the search capability also within the browser is actually improved also. If you look at the rest, really there's not a lot of new stuff in here. It mainly has to do with this address bar revamp that they actually are pushing in. If you don't really care about these new features, one of the things that might actually push you to 75 is the big list of bug fixes. So security vulnerabilities, there's a lot of them in this Firefox 75. A lot of them are high impact. And high impact means they're easy to actually exploit, and maybe even bad guys already know about it. So this is one thing that you probably should be looking at for upgrading to version 75, at least for the security side of things. There's also a saving of certain security certificates. When Firefox knows the certificate and knows that it's a trusted certificate, it can actually save it so that things are a little better. Apparently there's an improved speed in loading the pages also. It's hard to measure. These are kind of things that are difficult to measure. I've never had any problems with Firefox, so it seems to work just well, and that's it. But it's mostly everything scattered around the bar, the address bar here at the top, that is actually making things a little better, and apparently somewhat easier if you have a small screen or a small laptop screen size, with crisper and better text basically to read on your screen. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.